The Galaxy Z Fold 3 looks like the best foldable phone yet. It's more durable, water resistant, it has dual 120Hz display, S Pen support, improved multitasking features, and more optimized foldable applications. It comes in 3 colors: Phantom Green, Phantom Silver, and Phantom Black. In this video, let's take a look at the color comparison and find out which one is best for you. Starting with the Phantom Green, this is by far my favorite color as it's not a loud green but a subtle green. Also, the fact that Samsung has used matte finish makes it more grippy and easy to hold, and also looks more premium. When open, it has a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, which is a joy to use and best for multimedia consumption. With 120Hz display, everything feels smooth and fast. Phantom Silver also looks stunning and premium and for sure is an eye-catcher. With Gorilla Glass Victus protection, you actually don't need a case for this stunning smartphone. Kudos to Samsung for bringing yet another winner in Galaxy Fold 3. An ideal smartphone for business-minded people and also those who loves new tech, as now it also supports S Pen. You can't go wrong with Phantom Black because it's a classic color. Matte finish makes it more grippy and solid looking premium smartphone. Despite of a classic color and solid feel, I would still choose Phantom Green as my favorite color. So guys, which color you think is the best? Please write me in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.